Yo, what is going on YouTube? This tutorial today is going to be showing you how to get the best Mech Arena promo codes in 2026. I spent a long time searching and trying codes. The ones that I'm going to show you are definitely the best codes for Mech Arena, allowing you to get tons of free A coins, credits and keys. It's going to save you a bunch of money because they're pretty expensive if you was to purchase them in game. So this method is going to be showing you these promo codes for Mech Arena, and it only takes a few minutes. So before I get into it, I'm doing a huge gift card giveaway for all of the platforms. So yeah, make sure you do like this video and subscribe to be entered into the giveaway. And let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the tutorial and show you these Mech Arena promo codes. So what you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone. I recommend you use the mobile that you play Mech Arena on, or if you play on PC, just grab your mobile phone, open up the internet and go to www.crashcoupons.com. So type it exactly like this, Crash Coupons, and what it's going to do, it's going to bring you to this site here, and they actually have hundreds of pages, guys, so I recommend you bookmark them and check every time you want a game code, because they do pretty much have everything. So use the search bar and just type in Mech Arena. This is the codes page, guys. As you can see, there are a few verified working codes on this page, and these have been used thousands of times. I've actually searched through Google and YouTube and found this method, and it actually worked. So you can get a promo code for Mech Arena free keys, you can get free A coins and free credits. I'm just going to select the A coins code. I did this earlier, so I'm just going to run through the steps that I took. And yeah, basically this is going to search for a valid code. And these are secret codes. Considering what they give you, 25,000 A coins is pretty good. So as they are limited, and considering it does save you a bunch of money, you do need to unlock your promo code, guys. As you can see, it says your coupon code is ready and will be revealed after verification. So what you need to do is unlock your code by clicking this button and following the instructions on this screen here, guys. It says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Crash Coupons, and make sure you follow the unlock instructions below each app. So this basically verifies you're not a robot. So you're going to have a list of tasks on this screen here. As you can see, these are all completely free, and they're simple things like installing and opening mobile apps and playing games and stuff, guys. Just follow the instructions that it says to complete them. They're all completely free, and it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Mech Arena promo code will be revealed in this box here, and then you redeem it, and that is going to give you free A coins. But yeah, they do other stuff as well. So that is it. Super easy. Go to Crash Coupons. The entire method only takes about 5 minutes. Just make sure you do follow the instructions to unlock your specific code. And enjoy, guys. I'm doing that huge gift card giveaway. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.